In this video, I'm going to show you some options on the front 3-point hitch on a Deutz Fahr tractor for running implements such as the buck rake you see here on the front of this 8280 tractor. The front 3-point hitch can be controlled using a raise and lower button on the multifunction joystick of the tractor, where you can raise your front 3-point hitch to the desired height you have set and drop it to the desired height. When using an implement such as this, you may want to feather that implement up and down for pushing, and I'm going to show you how to take the front 3-point hitch out of the automatic mode, put it over into the manual mode where we can control it with one of the hydraulic levers versus the fast raise and fast lower switches on the multifunction joystick. First up, we need to turn our 3-point hitch on by pressing down on the green button for a few seconds. Since we're going to be using the hydraulics, we also need to make sure our hydraulic's on, and we need to push down the blue button for a few seconds to activate the hydraulic remote levers. Once the hydraulics and the 3-point hitch are enabled, you will get a notification on your dash telling you that. We will now go to our touchscreen monitor, and I'm going to click on the icon for the front 3-point hitch. Right now it's in the automatic mode, and there's settings here where you can use your fast raise and fast lower buttons, how high you want it to go and how low you want it to drop. When using something such as a blade on the front, you may want to feather that in between, and that's why we are going to go in here and change this to the manual mode. And to change to manual, just went up in the top corner there, hit the auto button, it switched over to manual. You can see your automatic features disappeared. Now we will go here and select the hydraulic button. Our hydraulic remotes light up on the screen here. So now to change those, press that button. You can see all your different hydraulic levers here. So this tractor does have 6 different places we can swap these remotes back and forth. Let's say we want to run the blade off this one here for raising and lowering our front 3-point hitch. Go onto the screen. We can go through here. You can see you got your options. In this case, we selected the front 3-point hitch to that lever. As here, hit OK. Once that's done, you can see it's lit up there where we want it. Now, before we get out of here, we also have to go back in and hit OK again on another button. Once we did that, now our front 3-point hitch will raise and lower off that remote lever you see right here, which is going to allow us to feather that up and down. On the multifunction joystick in the automatic mode, it does not give us that option. We can either raise it or lower it with no in between. The attachment you see here is mounted to the front 3-point hitch of the tractor and also requires 2 additional hydraulic remotes, one for folding it out, and this also has a push plate. With that, on this tractor, we could go through and put all these functions on the same control lever for ease of operation. The settings in this video may vary depending on the software version of your tractor, and for more information, always refer to your operator's manual or contact your local Deutz Fahr dealer.